Being a busboy, you have to multitask. From maintenance to cleaning tables, interaction with people, sitting there, checking what they need and make them comfortable. A lot of things. I started at Employees Only in 2004. Because of the pandemic, the restaurant was closed and I was laid off. It's very stressful, especially for an immigrant and not being able to access government help.
Not having enough money is usually one of the major stressors in someone's life. And with restaurant workers, there's an added stress because for the majority of tip workers in America, the federal minimum wage is $2.13 an hour.
We are an industry that does not have any health insurance. A lot of workers live paycheck to paycheck. So when the industry shut down overnight, we didn't know what to do. Where are we going to have money coming in to take care of ourselves, to take care of our families? It just brought on so much anxiety.
I usually know what to do, but I felt kind of paralyzed. My wife had pancreatic cancer in 2011. She's good now, but she had another ailment. Not having 100% medical coverage was stressful heading to the pandemic. I was selling things on eBay and doing small maintenance jobs, but it wasn't enough.
Prior to the pandemic, 40% of restaurant workers lived in poverty, which is a hugely high number considering that it has been one of the largest employers in our country. The pandemic made the situation worse in pretty much every way imaginable.
People became aware that maybe there's a lot more going on and maybe we should really think about the restaurant industry in terms of how we can make things better in society. The Restaurant Workers Community Foundation is an action and advocacy nonprofit that is dedicated to bettering the lives of restaurant workers nationwide. When we launched the COVID Relief Fund in March 2020, we were able to raise over $7 million for it. And in partnering with Southern Smoke Foundation, we were then able to give direct payments to restaurant workers who were in crisis.
People don't realize the struggles we have to be through in that industry. It's a lot of pressure, even for somebody who cleans tables like me. Receiving that grant was a life-saving event. And shortly after that, they reopened the restaurant. It feels like you're back to your home.
To date, Restaurant Workers Community Foundation has raised over $8 million for our COVID Relief Fund. We have also grown our network to over 10,000 donors, and we have been able to support over 40 different nonprofits within the last 3 years.
It's very important that they're doing what they're doing because it's helping us rebuild. A lot of us have lost so much. So for them to be a leader in terms of just making these conditions better, being able to help provide more benefits, better pay, that's an important thing that we could all use right now.